Alright, what's up you guys? So today we're gonna be stripping this whole bike down. We're gonna pull the engine out, pull the wheels, everything, strip it all down completely, take off the front forks. So we're not gonna be using these forks. We're gonna be using the ones from Go Power Sports. We ended up ordering those, so we're gonna be using those, the ones with suspension, so it'll be a lot better. We're gonna be painting this frame, so that's the reason why we're taking it apart, so it can look nicer. And we're gonna paint the wheels. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I know you guys want to see me actually do the work, not just fast forward into it. So I'll put you guys on the little head strap, and then you guys can see me working on this. Okay, so we're starting to take the wheels off. That's what we're gonna do first. Let's pull the wheels, all the spacers, get all the stuff out the way. Well, I hope it don't fall. Okay, let's see. Alright, the chain. Okay. So I'll just put all this on here. Some of these washers are just temporary because I needed to put spacers on it, but we'll get this stuff out of the way. We'll put it right here for now. The front, same thing. Okay, this one's a little harder to get out. And then we might need different spacers too when we change to the other front end. So we'll have to do some fine tuning of the spacers. Cause yeah, these forks right here, they're too, it vibrates so bad with these forks. Plus it'll look nicer with the adjustable forks. It'll look a lot better, cleaner, I think so. And then we're gonna be painting the frame and stuff. So since we're painting and all that, better off to do it nicely and have it function good. So let's see. Okay, we got the wheels off. That was pretty quick. Gotta cut all these zip ties off. There's a lot. Got all this stuff out. Oh crap. Damn. Well, that ain't good. I cut our RPM gauge. It's alright, we'll fix that. Yeah, so that was my plan with this bike. Was wanted to get it running pretty good, you know, make sure everything was good on it, and then I wanted to tear it back apart, paint this shroud as well. Wanted to do all that stuff just so it looks nice, you know what I mean, looks decent, presentable. We can take it to do stuff, go places. Okay. Let's see, I believe this is the same. Yeah. Okay, so we got all the bolts out of the motor, the 13 millimeters, 4 of them. Motor is able to slide out now. I loosened up the front, which was a 24 mil. Let's take this off. That's my son in the background. Okay, so we can take that off. Pull this. Okay. Alright, so we got the forks off. We'll put them right here next to the blue one. We won't be using that for a while. We got this. Now we can pull this motor out. So let me just get all this. Actually, I might need to pull the header off. So let me get a 13. Just make it easier and pull the header for now. That's what I like about these mini bikes. They're pretty simple to work on and tear down. Yeah, I figured we'd paint up the mini bike so it looks real nice, and then with the new shocks and stuff like that, and then we'll just continue modifying the motor as we ride it, continue doing work to it. Okay. Pull that off. Looks like we're gonna need another gasket. Okay. Now let's grab this motor real quick. Let me put you guys right here. That's a fail. Motor out. This ring back on that stand. Man, I don't want to sit on the stand. Alright, let me move this motor. Okay. So we have the motor out now. We just have a bare frame except for these. So let me remove these. Okay, so we have it fully stripped out now. Everything's off and it's a little bit of a mess right now, but we have everything. I'm gonna put everything organized. We're gonna clean up this frame, start scuffing it, sanding it, then get it into some paint. So here it is, all tore down. Literally just a frame. And our motor, all our stuff. So let me know what you guys think. What color do you think we're gonna paint it? I ain't gonna tell you guys in this video. You're gonna have to wait till the next one to see what color it is. So let me know in the comments what color you think we're going. So let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for the rest of this build. You know, we're gonna be painting it, doing front fork setup, and some other stuff. So stay tuned for this one. Thanks you guys for watching, and as always, have a good one.